Our kings have given the order to start a new project and our queens have started to make it real. But the knights are the ones who will take it outside of the palace walls. They are the ones who will actually initiate action. Usually knights are young adults under the age of 35. And since our knights are the forces that take the projects outside the castle walls, that's why knights, their keyword is mission. They are the man on the mission, and which is why they are always shown on horses with movement. And they suggest people involved in travel also. Our knight is a mover and shaker. The attributes of our knight are loyalty, trust, and they have the power to influence the life of the subject. They represent the teenage spirit, friends, which is why they are full of changes, movement and action, just like a teenage. Let us look at our 4 knights. And when we look at these 4 knights, we need to combine changes, movement and action with the qualities of that suit. So our Knight of Wands, combining also the word mission, which is the key word of knights, we get mission of action or changes in action, movement in action. So what we get is a charming, daring, adventurous, passionate person who's also vigorous, athletic and unpredictable. Since our knights can also represent travel, each of the knights has a different kind of travel, friends. Knight of Wands can represent a long, exciting trip by either a bike, car or train. In terms of events, they show rapid changes in energy, dramatic movement, because Wands is the suit of energy and passion. Our Knight of Cups is on the mission of love, which gives our Knight of Cups a romantic personality who's over-emotional, sensitive, graceful, refined, introspective even. And cups being water, this Knight of Cups represents travel by water or towards water. In terms of events, it shows sudden changes in the emotional state. It could represent instant attractions. Now, our Knight of Sword is on the mission of ideas and truth and thoughts and communication. So the kind of personality of our Knight of Swords is idealistic, full of potential ideas. He's direct, he's authoritative, he's logical, belonging to the mind, belonging to the thoughts. He's knowledgeable and he's incisive. And sword is the air element, so the travel represented by the Knight of Sword is travel by air. In terms of events, our Knight of Sword can represent unpredictable, whirlwind kind of events or conflicts or rapid changes in thoughts. And finally, our Knight of Pentacles is on the mission of material manifestation. So it makes him realistic and hardworking, cautious, thorough and unwavering. Being the earth element, the travel is by foot, walking, cycling. The events are steady and slow in keeping with the earth element. They are consistent changes regarding probably finances, financial situations or material situations. And lastly, friends, we come to our pages.